All right, quiz 1.02. Here is some help for that one. You have one where they have DNS. This triangle is similar. This is the symbol for similar to triangle ARH. What is the value of x? So here is x. They've given you some other measurements. And so you want to set up a proportion to find this missing value. You know with similar triangles that the sides are proportional. So this side of the triangle, DN, is similar to our AR, and that's going to equal DS. They've given us DS over AH, what we're looking for. You can also look at the similarity statement and know that DS is going to correspond with AR. DN is going to correspond with AR, DS is going to correspond with AH, and then NS will correspond with RH. So you can look at your picture or look at the similarity statement. Plug in the values that I've been given. Cross multiply. 60 times x is 60x. 15.2 times 200 is 3040. Divide both sides by 60, and my x value is 50.67. This one says the two triangles are similar. What is the value of x? And so this time we've got a variable for x. We can still set up our proportion. We know that 2x, this side of the triangle, corresponds to this side, so 5x, 2x over 5x minus 9, corresponds to this side of the triangle, 20, and then this whole side, you'll have to use the segment addition postulate and add. 20 and 10 give you 30, so that's where that came from. Cross multiply. 2x times 30 is 60x. 5x times 20. Make sure to distribute the 20. 20 times 5x is 100x. 20 times negative 9 is negative 180. And then we want to get all our variables on one side. So this is the larger variable, so I'd subtract 60 from x from both sides. Add 180 to both sides. That gives me 40x is equal to 180. Divide by 40, and x is 4.5. This one wants to know the value of x. Here we have these two parallel, so we can use that side splitting theorem that says dj over df is equal to jy over ys. Plug in our values. 40 over x is equal to 12 over 52. Cross multiply, so we got 12x. 40 times 52 is 2080. Divide both sides by 12, and we get 173.3. The next one on the quiz says, which triangle is similar to ABC and why? And so they had some missing values here. So remember, you can use the triangle sum theorem and subtract from 180 to get all the missing values. So run it through. 65 plus 65 minus 180 is going to give me 50. This missing angle is 95. This missing angle is 65, and this missing angle is 55. So for similar triangles, we can use the angle-angle similarity postulate because we haven't been given any side information. So this would be the only one we could use. So if we use that, we're going to see which one has all of the same angles. And so you can see you've got 65, 65, 50. This one is not going to be similar. This one is not going to be similar, but this one has all the same angles. So it is similar to triangle GIH, and the reason is the angle-angle similarity postulate. The last one says is PMR. So if we take a look at PMR, that's this large triangle here. Is PMR similar to SMN? So SMN, I'm going to get this one, is this triangle. And so if so, which postulate? So they have given us information about the sides, and then they haven't given us any information about the angles, but we can see that they both share angle M, right? Because angle M is here and here. So we know by the reflexive property, M is equal to itself. And so we need to test to see if these sides are proportional. So is 14 over the whole, 22, equal to 21 over this side, which would be 33. When we cross multiply, we see that 14 times 32 is 462. 22 times 21 is 462, so those are equal. That means those sides are proportional. And so we have a side, we have an angle, and we have another side. So they are similar by the side angle side similarity postulate.